Trashy delay everyone. What's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I got delivery, which is my Zhiyun Weebill S. Yeah, so this is the best gimbal right now, latest one. I'm so excited to open it. Okay, let me open it, how it looks like. Wow. My goodness, beautiful look. Wow. Wow, this comes with the case, which is great, you know, for safety. Alright, let me open it. Wow. My goodness, I love it. Look, my goodness, beautiful. Yeah, this is the instruction. Weebill S. So this is the gimbal everybody talking about today. This is the best one right now. Yeah, this is quite expensive too. So this is $300 something. Very nice. Wow. So that comes with a battery. Hopefully it comes with a charger. Maybe this one. I need a charger, you know. Oh yeah, charger is right here. Perfect, excellent. This is charger. It's very convenient, you know. I don't like the big one, so this is small and nice, you know. So it's very convenient to carry, you know. So as long as it works, so small is better, you know. You can carry with you. Look at it, beautiful. So these are cables that you can connect between the gimbal to the camera, like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 screws. Very nice. Okay, and oh, one more here, I forgot to put. So yeah, this is the, what do you call, mouse that you can put on the so this is the mouse, I think, that you can put on the gimbal. Okay, now we're gonna give out. Wow, it's quite heavy though. Oh my god, yeah, I feel really high quality. Yes, I feel really high quality. It must be aluminum, I think, the metal. Yeah, I think this is much heavier than my camera. Yeah, this is the best one right now. The Weebill S. So this is the gimbal everybody talking about today. This is the best one. So buy nice is better than you buy twice, you know. So that's why I bought this one. Yeah, so I can use for very lasting. So this one you can use with the mirrorless camera and a DSLR camera. So this is the extension that goes to here. Then you can open it. Then you can open it and you can put it on the table. Okay, let me see. Oh, beautiful. So this is how it looks like right now. Amazing. Look this side. Wow. Yeah, this one I think maybe 2 pounds. So it must be mentioned in this instruction paper. Yeah, so battery goes to here. The battery goes to here. And so this one goes to right here. Go here and your camera on the top. Okay, if you want a long, so you can put this one on the button, then you can use it like that. And also you can put this handle to the here. Let me see. Wow, look. So it has a lot of rooms here, you know, a lot of rooms here. Then you can shoot the camera like that. Then you can shoot the videos like that, which is very good. What I can say is it's really good quality. And these are metal, and this is the lock here. Okay guys, this is much about it. Thank you so much for your watching. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe right there and hit the thumbs up, leave the comment below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.